Hello and welcome back to Zarnista Studios. Today we're going to show you something wonderful, a very generous gift from Dave over at Toy-Polloi. Originally I'd put together a 1/12 scale Black Series New Hope collection because original Kenner vintage figures complete with original weapons were way out of my price range. Dave kindly sent me this picture of his collection of the figures I had wanted to collect, but sadly could not afford. Recently, Dave went one step further. He offered me 3 wonderful figures, and I could not be more grateful. So let's look inside the special delivery from the UK and see what he sent. First he sent the retro Toy-Polloi card and 2 lovely pins. I absolutely love these. Also he sent a Darth Vader, an original 12 that he restored. Thank you. Also inside was a recreation of an original Final 17, Luke in Stormtrooper in disguise, recreated by Smith Lord Creations. More stunning in person than you could ever believe. And the third figure was Smith Lord's continuation of the line, Han Solo in Stormtrooper. Just never thought I'd have these in my collection. And he also sent one more thing, some parts for a project that I talked to him about, a saber and a cape, because after he said he was sending me these 3, I went online and I found a very inexpensive Obi-Wan on eBay, and I ordered him. I will use Dave's template and the tips and tricks that he taught to bring Obi back to fighting shape. Yes, these were the droids I was looking for, and now I have gone from 3 to 4 to now 8. Thank you, Dave. And Smith Lord Creations, get ready. You will be my weapons dealer as I complete my Kenner collection. You are the best. So thank you for stopping by, and happy collecting. We'll see you soon.